You search how to buy shares of Egetis Therapeutics AB. This video explains the steps for Egetis listed on CBOE EU under the ticker EGTX.ST. Egetis Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotech company focused on medical research and drug development. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker EGTX.ST to find the correct listing. Confirm you select the Egetis Therapeutics AB share appearing on the CBOE EU exchange. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it matches Egetis Therapeutics. Make sure the company profile and ticker shown correspond to the stock you intend to buy. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you may schedule the order or it will execute when the market reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once complete, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The broker link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.